Hello everyone, welcome back to Nax Creative Den. Today we are here with a Nykaa order that I've received today. So I know what is inside, but I'm really excited to share what's inside with all of you. So shall we dig in? I'm ready with my weapon. Are you guys excited to see what's inside? I'm super excited to share what's inside with all of you. So I've unboxed the box completely, and let me just open this for you. I'll share each and everything that I've bought. I have lots and lots of things inside this bubble wrap. Let's see what's inside. The first thing that I want to share with all of you is this Nykaa lipstick. The name of this lipstick shade is TGIF and it's 4.2 grams, and I really love the packaging. It's absolutely gorgeous with this pink and the black stripes. It's super classy. Let's see the shade. It's fantastic. It really looks beautiful. I think it's good to try swatching with all the shades. Let me get my watch off. Let's try swatching this shade. It's not super pigmented in the first go, but I think we can build up the shade always. Wow, I love this shade. It's like a proper pinky plum kind of shade. I'm not good in describing all the colors, but I think I'll try my level best. So this is one more shade. I really love this packaging. So this is another red colored lipstick with black stripes. Let's see the swatch of this one as well. Wow. The name of this shade is Dress to Kill. So the next lipstick that we have here is Nykaa Matte to Last, and it's a metallic liquid lipstick, and I'm not sure about the shade name. It's a free product actually. I didn't order this, but there was some offer in Nykaa at the moment that is like if you order things worth above 1500, you'll get a free liquid lipstick. So this is the free lipstick that I got with all the other orders. Oh my god, I don't think I can carry this lipstick. It's a metallic color. I don't know how far you guys will like it, but it's not something that I can pull it off. Let me just share the name of the shade with you guys as well. It's Umbrella and it's 5 ml. I like the packaging, but I'm not sure about the shade. Anyways, let's get into the other products as well. So the next product that we have is a lip palette. I wanted to try a lot of shades under a budget, so I thought lip palette is something that I can try perfectly with that. The name of this palette is Flower Child. So I like the packaging. It looks classy. So I have 6 shades in this one. They did give us a lip brush, and there are 6 shades. And this packaging is super comfortable with a magnetic closure, and I love the packaging of Nykaa. Nykaa never disappoints me with their packaging. It's not practically possible for me to swatch all the 6 shades and show you, but I think all these shades go well with the Indian skin tones. Just in case anything don't go well with your skin tone, you can always mix and match or combine it with another shade. It looks absolutely fine. So the next thing that I have here is Glamour Eyes by Nykaa. It's an eyeliner. It's in the silver color. This can be used for all the festive looks. This will be fine as an eyeliner or in the inner corners of your eyes. It can be used either ways. So the next thing that I want to share with all of you is this Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick. It's in the shade Burgundy Blush. There was some offer with these lipsticks, Maybelline lipsticks as well. Buy one get one free. That was a very good offer indeed. The packaging of this one also is very good. It is having a matte body. It's a very dark color. This is a very highly pigmented color. It's just a creamy matte formula. It's not a absolutely dark matte formula. I like the packaging, but the only problem that I have with this is there is no color separation on the body. I have another lipstick in the same range. The color separation is only at the bottom. There is nothing on the body. They should have done something on the body as well, which can easily make us identify the lip shade. So this is the next lipstick that I've picked up. It is the name of the shade is Siren in the Scarlet. So I didn't get the chance to pick the second shade myself. So it was a default order. The second shade was chosen by them. So I didn't pick this shade. I don't know how it will go. It's a very bright red color. I don't like reds and pinks as of now. I prefer plums and nudes more. The formula is nice. It's a creamy matte formula. It's fine. I like the formula, but I don't know about the color. I'm not sure about the color. So I picked up a lot of sheet masks as well. These are from Nykaa. This is a charcoal one, fenugreek and cucumber, sandalwood rose, egg white and lemon, green tea jasmine, pea yogurt, turmeric yogurt, cinnamon honey, and coconut. I really love the way all these are having that Indian touch to them. So the next thing that we have is sheet masks from Tony Moly. I love these packaging. They're really cute. This is I'm rice, I'm broccoli. They're so funny. I'm seaweed, I'm tomato, I'm red wine. My mom would kill me if she sees this. I'm not specifying the price of anything because the offer keeps changing on sheet masks. You'll always have a good deal on Nykaa on these sheet masks, so you can go and check on the app. The next thing that we have is Mamaearth Argan Hair Mask. So this is for damaged hair, and the main purpose of this is for the frizz-free and stronger hair. It is filled with argan oil, avocado and milk protein as well. I've heard good things about it, but I haven't tried any Mamaearth products earlier. So I think this is my first product to try with Mamaearth. I don't know how well it works. It's a huge tub. It's a 200 grams tub. So I need to give this a good try before giving you any review or my opinion on this one. But I like the packaging. The tub is really big. So this is a very big tub. I think it will last me for about a month easily. Month or two maybe. So I've heard good things about Mamaearth. So Mamaearth is a cruelty free brand and it is a plastic positive brand. They recycle more plastic than they use. I got these two things for free along with the hair mask. This is Upton face wash and Upton face mask. Both of them are paraben free and SLS free, and this is silicone free, and they are dermatologically tested, and this is for the skin brightening and this is for the tan removal. I wanted to try this, but it's a good thing that I got something on the trial size, so once I can check before buying the full size. Going to share with all of you are two serums from Saint Botanica. This is the hyaluronic acid and this is a retinol one. I've heard good things about these as well. I picked everything properly before placing the order. So I have seen lots and lots of reviews before proceeding with everything that I've ordered. This is a 20 ml bottle. It's having vitamin C and E along with the hyaluronic acid. It's a professional face serum. It is having a pump bottle as well. There is no lid. Yeah, I do have a lid inside. So yeah, it's a glass bottle. I heard that it's good to have glass bottles for all your skincare. So the other one that I have picked is retinol. It's having 2.5% retinol and E and hyaluronic acid. Both of them are having hyaluronic acid in them. So this is a glass bottle as well. So the next thing that I have with me is the wooden roots comb. I wanted to try a wooden comb as well. This is a wooden comb. I think wooden comb should only be used on dry hair. See, it says only dry hair, so I don't think it should be used when your hair is wet because it's a wooden comb. So the next product that I have is it's a necessity actually. It's Sunsilk conditioner. That's it for the video, guys. I shop during the Freedom Sale on Nykaa. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and do click on the bell icon for the notifications. Thank you.